Cognizant Business Solutions is a company based in India. I represent Cognizant Business Solutions, and my name is Rishikesh, and I work there as Vice President Sales. I Love SAP Business One is a campaign primarily based at bringing people together, showing love for SAP Business One, and effectively passing on the benefits of ERP to the end customers. So the whole campaign is to show your love on social media about SAP Business One. Almost 500 people have done it, and the figure is increasing every day. Let me show you some samples how it is done. If you share the love for SAP Business One, please publish your picture and don't forget to share it with the hashtag #ILoveSAPBusinessOne, and also post it on all the social media platforms.
I do share the love for SAP Business One, and I'm 100% supportive of the CBS campaign. And what about you?